Shalom, brothers and sisters. All praises to Yahuwah, our Heavenly Father. And my name is Brother Kuya, and I'm here to present to you the calendar for the 11th month. And the name of this month is Shabet. All right, now you see I have three different languages there. We have English, we have the Paleo, and what they so-called modern Hebrew. But as time goes on, I'm going to drop the modern Hebrew and go into the Paleo, which was the original language 585 years BC. So I'm trying to learn in the native tongue. All right. Now, if while I'm on this course here, doing these calendars or any other um, videos that I do, if I pronounce a word wrong or spell it wrong or whatever, please hit me up and help me get this thing right. Cause Brother Kuya is still learning, and I'm just sharing what I've learned. I'm not an expert. I don't try to be. But my main potential thing is to make sure that we're on the right Sabbath and feast days. So during my studies, I could be wrong on certain things, you know. So just help me out. But the main thing is applying the Sabbath and feast days right now and getting that right. And we can take care of the other stuff as we go. So this is the 11th month, and let's check and see how do we get to this point. All right, since the moon has been spotted and confirmed, it was on Friday, the 25th of November. So they will make all of our Shabbats on Saturday. So new moon day is on Saturday, and all of our Shabbats will come on. We have 4 Shabbats on Saturday, all the way down. See, it's like that every month. Notice right here, I have 2 um, crescent moons right there. All right, we had projected to come out on the 29th of Thursday, the 29th. No one spotted it. It was no confirmations. So therefore, we started looking for it that day. We didn't see it, but on Friday it was confirmed. Friday. So it's going to be on that 30th day, um, 29th day or 30th day. So that's why we start looking for it early on the 29th day. And Hanukkah said they have a period of 28 days, but I haven't seen it on the 28th day. Most of the projections that have been done has been done on the 29th or the 30th. So that's why you see me with 2 new moons right here, the crescent moons here. All right, so it's confirmed all of our Sabbath would be on Saturday. Then you see the calendar from the previous month. If you have one, if you look down at the bottom, um, you see here we was projected to come out on that Friday, but this was the 29th day. So therefore, that will make the 10th month a 30th day month. Okay, because we can't. It's not. It's not going to be confirmed. Well, what's the word I'm looking for? It can't be a new month now unless it's been spotted and confirmed. So we, like I say, these are just projections until we spot it and confirm. It was projected to come out on Friday, on Thursday, the 24th in the evening, and it didn't. So therefore, we had to make our adjustment, and because it came out on Friday evening, the 25th. So make our Saturdays, our new moon on Saturdays. See, that's why I put this here projected. Projected. It's not positive. It's just projected. Once you see it, then that what makes it real. You understand? I hope I'm not confusing about it. I have a hard time sometimes explaining myself. So we got to put projected until we do spot the moon itself. Now on our first line, we're here. We have we've been through it already. We did 2 crescent moons. We've been spotted on the 25th of November in the evening. So therefore our colors is going to change from blue to black. This is the lunar month change right here. All right. So this line is pretty much self-explanatory. We've been over it, so we're gonna have to spend a lot of time there. On our second line, we have a month change. Um, right here, it transitions from November to December right here. But you notice, look, if our Sabbath days are on, if our Shabbats are on Saturdays, right? So that means we have to work 6 days to come back. So our starting new work day for that week will be on Sunday. You see, the second day of the month is the first day of the work week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 working days. Seventh day is Shabbat. You notice it's the second day of the month, cause this day right here is new moon day right here. The new moon day is day one. This day right here, the second day starts your 6 working days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The sixth day in the evening and going down of the sun starts your um, Shabbat. Okay, from evening to evening. This evening is gonna start your first working day for the following week. But what I want to do is let you see the changes of your colors from November to December. Okay, that way you can keep up. That way you won't run have the same colors. You know when that's exactly when day to change. Change months. Okay, Shabbat this on the 2nd of December. Is Shabbat starts in the evening, and then the whole day that Saturday, all that day Saturday to Saturday evening is your Shabbat. All right, the third line we have no month change, but we have the full moon coming in 2 weeks after after the new moon. All right. In the book of Hanukkah, it said 14 days the moon becomes full. So you count from here 7 plus 7 is 14, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14th day. 14th day in the evening, moon becomes full. All right. So that's pretty much self-explanatory. And I have the abbreviation over here for full moon. That's why you see that color right there. So the full moon always comes on 2 weeks after the new moon. All of them gonna stay in line. This line we have our third Shabbat. The third Shabbat will start on the 16th of um, December, which will be the 21st day in the lunar um, events. It'll start in the evening. So you see why I have there third Shabbat at even, cause the days are from sundown to sundown, or sunset to sunset, whatever. So that's why how we count our days. All right. So that will be our third Shabbat right here. If you notice, you count it's still on track after your. Let me get my pointer going. After your full moon, then you start back over counting your work days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got to work 6 days. The seventh day is your rest, all on Saturday. Stay always in the same column. Okay. Okay. Fourth line. We just trailing from the following line. All right. Working 6 days. All right. Our sixth day will be on the 23rd of December, which is Friday. And it'll be the 28th day for the lunar calendar, the way we keep it, the 28th day. Then the evening of the 28th day of the month, that's when we shut down for our Shabbat. All right. So Saturday again, our fourth Shabbat will be on Saturday. Now, We have a couple of groups out there that celebrate their Shabbats on every Saturday. But in the case with the lunar events, it's not going to be every Saturday. It just so happened to land on Saturday this month. Okay, you have another group celebrating their Sabbath on Sunday. In this on every Sunday. It's not right. It goes by the moon. It's a pair. Okay, it's a pair, and it goes by the moon. That's how you dictate your Sabbath. It's very important to learn this and apply it because that is the sign between us and the Father, Yahuwah, to show that we are His people and we are on His time. So don't take it that it's on Saturday because it's on Saturday this month. It's gonna be on every Saturday. No, it's not. It's gonna change next month. Okay. You see how it changed? We thought it would come on Friday this month at first. All right, but the moon came out on Friday evening. So we have to spot it. We have to spot the moon and make sure and double check behind ourselves that we are right. So I just want to clear that up. It's not going to be on every Saturday. So don't follow those people. You follow what you see in the sky. Okay, brothers and sisters, this is our last line. So we're gonna go over a few things. All right. You see that in the previous line we have the crescent moon here. Over here, got to start looking for the crescent moon. All right, so it's projected to come out on Saturday evening, and so that will make our upcoming Sabbath on Sunday. All right, on the 25th of December. We all know what that is, so I'm not going there. Don't matter to me no more. But so that will start off our first day of our 12th month right there. So you look for it after the fourth Shabbat. You start looking for the new moon. If it comes out this evening, it'll be the 29th day. That will make our Shabbat on the 25th of December. So our work days of the week is going to change. You see up here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This was the 7th day. So if the new moon comes out, it make this new moon day right here. The after new moon day, your work day starts after new moon day in the evening. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 working days will be here this time next month, and it'll be the 7th down here. But we'll go over that once we get there. All right, we got our colors here representing what month it is. In the Pope Greg's calendar, the colors here representing what month it is in the lunar events, and I already told you about the full moon. This right here is the positioning of the numbers or what they stand for in each position right here. The upper left is Pope Greg's calendar. This right here to help you out with your work days, doctor appointments, school, whatever may you can take care of on the Pope Greg's calendar. All right, that's help you out with a lot of different things you got coming up. All right, lower left, the work day of the week. This right here just help you. Just going by the scriptures, you work 6 days, seventh day is the day of rest. Projected, and all of these abbreviations pretty much speak for itself. And right here, what reason why I have these here is uh Shabbat, and this month right here, Shabbat is close to the same. You almost say the same, but what makes this the difference is, see this. If you look at the paleo right here, this right here is a top, right? It's the cross, it's the X except top. So when you say Shabbat, it's Shabbat. This right here is a tet. The X with the circle around, that's a tet. So what makes the difference is this is a Shabbat. Shabbat is the month Shabbat. This right here is the month, is the day Shabbat day, Shabbat. And notice I dropped the B. I dropped the B. I'm not gonna spell it with two B's anymore. I don't see no reason why, and it's not in the original text. So we can drop that second B when we were saying it, when we were spelling it. So our upcoming projected month will be on Sundays, but once we get it clear and verified, we'll change that. But in the meantime, your Saturdays will be your Sabbath will be on Saturdays. Okay. Okay, that's it for this month, for this lesson. Brothers, we ask that you go to Brother David for questions only. And for our sisters, we ask you go to Princess Maya. She'll help you out with your concerns. And if you need a calendar or any questions, you can come to me and I'll be glad to help you out as soon as I can. As soon as I get the message, I'll help you out. All right, that's it. So, shalom. Peace be with you.